if you're seeing this video, it means I came up with a nice hairstyle, okay? Stop it. Oh, oh. Welcome back to my channel. It's Glory here. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and when you click it, please click it. Thank you. And when you click the subscribe button, please click the notification bell as well, just so you know whenever I upload a new video and you stay updated. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this simple, it's really simple, I can't believe how simple it was, how to achieve this simple hairstyle. Well, at the beginning of this hairstyle, I honestly didn't know what hairstyle I was going to do. I was going to opt for a side part, but I changed my mind like midway. So yes, in case you guys see that, yeah, it's because I didn't know what hairstyle I was doing. But anyways, this is my hairstyle. I really love this hairstyle. It's so simple, elegant. Like, you can wear this style anywhere, okay? Anywhere. And if your hair is short, I got you. This is the hairstyle for you. If you'd like to see how I achieve this hairstyle, keep on watching, okay? So hey guys, so yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. I blow dried it last night, so it's looking, you know, a little bit stretched. I'm going to be using my Kinky clip-ins that I got from Hair, so I'm going to be using them. I blow dried a few, about 1 2 3, about 4 of these. If you've not seen what the actual clip-in looks like, it's like really tight curled and really curly. Sorry, I just twisted this one. That's how I store them. So it's like really tight, and then I just blow dried this, and I also blow dried my hair. Hopefully it matches. Now I'm going to start with the video now. So I just made a part here. So now I'm just going to brush this, leave a tiny bit in front, and then add the clip-ins at the back and pack it like a bunish type of thing. And then for the back, I'm just going to detangle it a bit and then start putting the clip-ins on my hair. Mind you, I moisturized my hair last night, like early this morning actually, because I washed it last night and blow dried it. So I moisturized it, so I'm not going to be using any form of cream or anything because my hair is really like soaked in product. So I combed out the front. I didn't want to do like what I initially had in mind. Or should I do a middle part so it just goes back? Huh. Let me see this. Let me do a middle part. So now the part looks like a part. So now I have made the part and attached the clip-ins. So now I'm going to try to make a bun at the back of my head. Hopefully that works out, okay? So I'm going to go lay my edges and come back and show you guys the end results. Okay? Okay? Stop it. Hey guys, so I've come to the end of my video. This is my hairstyle. This is what my hair looks like. I actually really love this hairstyle. I can't believe how nice it came out. Like whenever I don't have a plan for hairstyle, they always come out nice. Maybe I should not be planning my hairstyles. Okay, yeah, so I've come to the end of my video. Oh, sorry, hold on. So I wanted to show you guys the outfit I'm wearing with this. Okay, I feel like this top is going to be a problem for me because I'm going out. So I'm going to show you guys the outfit. I'm going to try to fit in here. So I'm wearing this top, this nice black top. It's like V and V at the back. It's quite loose, so I hope my sleeves don't fall off in public. That would be funny as hell, man. So I'm wearing this top and also this denim pants. Like they're really nice and easy. I look so funny right now. But anyways, yeah, this is what I'm wearing. And I'm also going to wear this glass heel with it and hold my handbag. So this is my outfit. Oh. So guys, I've come to the end of my video. If you guys want me to do more like hairstyle outfits type of video, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you guys would want me to do a lookbook on how to like different things to wear with a certain hairstyle, because I hardly see them. Sometimes I have afro and I want to like have a mother's outfit and I don't have inspiration. I just have to find out something in my head. So if you guys want me to do lookbooks, let me know in the comment section below, and you know, I'll be sure to, you know, come through for you guys. So anyways, yes, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Subscribe if not subscribed. Share this video with your sisters, your aunts, your moms, your uncles and brothers. You never know, they might need it. You never know. You never know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.